You have a big day. You are ready. You have your bag. You have your shoes. But where is the key? You look. You wait. You worry. Today, we follow Leo and his dog Buster. This is a story about a lost key, a very good dog, and a big discovery. Hello, I'm Zak. Welcome to English Made Real with Zak. This story is perfect for beginners and A1 English learners. We'll use simple words. We'll speak slowly. You don't need a dictionary. Just listen. Feel the story. Are you ready? Let's go. The sun is yellow. The sun is bright. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Leo is in bed. He is 10 years old. Leo is a student. Today is a special day. Today is the big picnic day. Leo is happy. He is very, very happy. Beside the bed is Buster. Buster is a dog. Buster is brown. He is a friendly dog. He is a happy dog. Buster looks at Leo. Buster wags his tail. Leo opens his eyes. He takes a deep breath. He stretches his arms. Leo gets out of bed. He walks to the bathroom. He brushes his teeth. He washes his face with cold water. Now Leo is awake. Leo goes to the kitchen. He is hungry. He makes breakfast. Leo eats toast. He eats eggs. He drinks orange juice. Buster eats his dog food. Buster is happy. Leo is happy. It is a perfect morning. Leo goes to his room. He gets dressed. He puts on a t-shirt. The t-shirt is blue. He puts on his jeans. He looks for his shoes. Leo says, "Buster, where are my shoes?" Buster looks under the bed. No shoes. Buster looks under the table. No shoes. Then Leo sees them. The shoes are under the pillow. He puts on his shoes. Now he needs his bag. Leo has a blue bag. He puts a bottle of water in the bag. He puts a notebook in the bag. He puts a sandwich in the bag. Leo is ready for the picnic. His friends are waiting. His mom is waiting at the park. Leo walks to the door. He stops. He feels his pocket. Empty. He feels his other pocket. Empty. Leo says, "The key. Where is the house key?" Leo is worried. He is not happy now. He needs the key to lock the door. He looks at the table. No key. He looks on the sofa. No key. He looks in the kitchen. No key. Leo says, "Buster, help me. Where is the key?" Buster looks at Leo. Buster tilts his head. Buster is curious. Leo looks in his blue bag again. He takes out the water. He takes out the sandwich. Leo goes to the bathroom. He looks near the sink. He looks near the shower. No key. Leo is very stressed. He checks the time on his phone. It is 8:30. He is late. Leo says, "Oh no, I am late. My friends are at the park." Leo sits on the floor. He is sad. He wants to cry. Buster walks to Leo. Buster licks Leo's hand. Leo says, "Maybe the key is outside." Leo and Buster go to the garden. The garden is small. The grass is green. There are many flowers. Red flowers, yellow flowers. Leo looks near the flowers. He looks under a big tree. He looks near the fence. He sees a hole in the ground. Leo asks Buster, "Did you dig a hole?" Buster wags his tail. Leo looks in the hole. He sees a rock. He sees a stick. But he does not see the key. Suddenly, it starts to rain. The sky is gray. Leo is wet. Leo says, "This is a bad day. A very bad day." Leo and Buster run back inside the house. Leo sits on the sofa. He is tired. He is bored to death. Leo says, "I cannot go to the picnic. I am a failure." Buster is not sad. Buster is playful. Buster has a toy. It is a monkey toy. Buster jumps on the sofa. He drops the monkey toy. Leo hears a sound, a metal sound. Leo looks at the monkey toy. He looks at the monkey's jacket. There is a small pocket on the monkey toy. Leo puts his finger in the pocket. He pulls. "It is the key," Leo says. "The key." "Buster, you put the key in the monkey toy." Buster barks. Buster is very proud. Leo is happy again. He is very excited. He takes his blue bag. He takes the key. He goes to the door. He locks the door. Leo and Buster run to the park. The rain stops. The sun comes out again. At the park, Leo sees his mom. He sees his friends. Leo eats his sandwich. He plays with his friends. It is a beautiful day. Leo learns a lesson. Always check the monkey toy. What a story! Leo was worried, but Buster was a hero. Did you like the story? If you liked it, subscribe to English Made Real with Zak. Your challenge today is to write one sentence in the comment about your pet or your favorite animal. Do you have a dog? Do you have a cat? Remember, you are learning. You are growing. You are doing a great job. I'm Zak. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.